looking to please. That's when you turned your head away again and was wondering what I'm thinking. I don't wanna see you anymore. And don't you come a knocking, said knocking at my door. Boy, you feel what I'm trying to say is that we're gonna part before you break my heart. No, no, baby, don't go, don't go. No, no, baby, no, 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 baby, no, 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 baby, no, no. Now I think that I have had enough of you playing games. You see, your love can be for me. I just think I'd rather be free. And I have waited such a long time just to say this to you. I know that you won't care. I just hope she'll do the same thing too.